This video shows you an application that the Cambodian government uses to fight against the COVID-19. The pandemic has brought immediate interruption in all sectors of the economies in the world, including Cambodia. According to a recent government report, in Cambodia, nearly 5,000 factories and tourism-related businesses have temporarily shut down, leaving many people unemployed. At the early stage, the government had to spend a lot of time and effort to track those in contact with infected persons, using surveillance cameras, interviewing, or calling each and everyone associated with the cases. The more cases we have, the longer time and resources has to be utilized. To effectively prevent the spread of the virus, the Ministry of Posts and Telecommunications introduced the QR code technology system called StopCovid. The system is simple, but the most effective tool to fight against COVID-19 that combines three main functions: contact tracing, quarantine control, and digital vaccination certificate. It is not a standalone application, but a well-connected database from venues to quarantine center to vaccination database of all related authorities. Since Cambodia Digital Readiness Index is very low, the ministry developer have put a lot of effort to make the system user-friendly and easy to adopt. There is no phone configuration required, no application download needed, no battery consumption, real-time data with clear privacy, register in less than 1 minute on our web-based application by using mobile number. To implement the QR code scanning, the instruction video was produced in 5 languages: Khmer, English, Chinese, Korean, and Japanese. In a short period of time, more than 206,000 businesses and venues have registered and print out a unique QR code for their locations by themselves from the website stopcovid.gov.kh. So, how the StopCovid QR code is safeguarding businesses' operation in a new normal? Well, business owners can use the result of the scanning to check status of people entering their locations based on 4 colors displayed on the screen after scanning: blue, green, yellow, and red, representing fully vaccinated, normal, suspicious, and infected status of the individual entering the establishment, respectively. The color display on the screen is the result of a real-time linkage data from the Ministry of Health and Quarantine Center nationwide that truly represents how someone related to the COVID-19 cases. In April 2021, in his public address, the Prime Minister of Cambodia, Somdaita Hun Sen, urged the public to proactively use the StopCovid QR code system as a way to take part in the government's effort to curb the virus transmission. By September, 5.7 million people, which account for 75% of the adult populations, have been registered to use this QR code. Prior to entering any establishments, user can simply use their smartphone's camera to scan the QR codes posted at the entrances. For first-time scan, user will be required to a one-time register of their smartphone using their phone numbers. With StopCovid, shops, restaurants, and businesses that were closed down and unable to operate are now able to reopen and keep their business going while maintaining the well-being of our people and nation as a whole. Our system has served the nation well during the pandemic, allowing the government to effectively control the spread of the virus and the public to resume both social and economic activities. Given the scalability of the system, Cambodia stands ready to share our technologies and best practices to assist our ASEAN member states and the region.